What's up, fellows? My name is Ashmit from Techy Pizza, and today I'm gonna tell you how to add a watermark on your videos of your YouTube channel. So let's spread technology. So to add watermark, first of all you have to open your desired browser. I'm using Google Chrome. So now you will have to redirect to the YouTube site. So let's go to youtube.com. As you can see, it is the mobile version of the website, and here is no option for the customization. So to enable that, you have to click the three dots which is just next to the search button, and now you can see a desktop option over here. Click on it. Now you can see it has been redirected to the desktop website. So now first of all you have to open your channel, or you can just simply tap your account on this site and click on Create a Studio. It will take some time to load depending on your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. Okay, it has been loaded. So this is my dashboard. First of all, you have to go to the channel over here. Then you can see that it is loading. Now it has opened the status and features tab. To proceed further, you have to open the branding tab. Here you can see I've already added the Techy Pizza logo over here as my branding watermark. So first of all I will remove it to tell you how to add it. So now if you haven't added any watermark, you can see this screen, or if you have added watermark and want to change it, you have to repeat that step. Okay, so let's click on add a watermark. Now here's upload a watermark dialog box. You have to now choose a file. So here is my new image. I have to click on it and click on save. It takes some time, so you have to wait for a minute or two. Okay, the watermark has been uploaded now, so here's the preview of it. It looks like that. And now you have to click on save again. Now here are some pretty good options over here, which is display time and start time. So in display time you can select end of video. It means that the watermark will be shown at the end of video. Custom start time, it means that the watermark will start showing at your selected time, and the entire video, which means that the watermark will show upon your video entirely. It means the full length of the video. So I am going to select entire video, and you can see the time selection option is now not here, so I just simply have to update it. Now it is getting updated. So the changes are saved successfully. So that is how you can add a watermark on your videos of your YouTube channel from your mobile. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like if it helped you, comment how it influenced you, and share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to press the subscribe button and ring the notification bell icon. So this was Ashmit from Techy Pizza signing off.